Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cryptoware. And today we are going to install Remnux VM and set up this another lab. This is again another wonderful virtual machine for malware analysis. And we will be using it only for our static analysis purpose as of now. But today let's see how we can perform the installation. We'll be setting up another lab. So let's get started. So for installing Remnux in your machine, you can directly look for this in your Google, and you can open the first, which is whose link is docs.remnux.org. So you'll be using an authenticated one. We will be downloading an over file because as we were installing the Windows VM, it is better to install the over file, use the over file instead of downloading an entire, ISO image, and it may take some time also. So how you are going to do that? So here we have the hash file just to check if you have downloaded it correctly. So let's see how you can perform the installation. So it is giving you an entire idea about how you can do it. Let's download the image. So from here, it gets directly downloaded. You click on the download option and it will start downloading. You may either sign in as it is asking for your login, but the download is in progress. Another way that it was saying, or you can use SourceForge option as well. From here, your download will start shortly. So you can choose any of the options that they have provided, and it will download the OVA file for you. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed and everything. It will ask where you need to download it. So as you can see that it is directly opening the folder. So you can directly choose, you can opt for the SourceForge option. Since it is already downloaded in my machine, so I'm not going to download it again. So the next thing that we are going to do, once it is downloaded, this is how it would look like. And you would just double click on it. And it will ask the way we were setting up our Windows machine for setting up the Flare VM lab over here. So you can change the name like Remnux Malware Analysis. You can change the RAM to 8096, anything that you want to put. Like it's better to have like minimum, if you have minimum, suppose 16 GB of RAM, you can afford up to 10 GB, 10 GB for performing this analysis. If you have 8 GB of RAM, it's no harm of putting, if you put 8 GB over here, but it's totally fine. By the way, 8093 is not equivalent to 8 GB, just to be clear. I just want to put 7-8 GB of RAM around. It is just approx to that. And you can simply click on import and it will start importing. So once it is done, I'll show you how it looks like. We'll just pause it for a while. As you can see, Remnux is already there and this is how it should look like. So I have not changed the memory here. You can change it. You can change it from here as well. Like system display. Yeah, not the storage. From here, you can change it. Since it is in the saved state, so I cannot change it. Once you switch it off, you'll see these options are all, will get all available for you to make the changes. So I'll just start this machine. This VM will not require your username password, so it will directly open the machine and you can explore it and see how it looks like. So we'll just wait, we'll just pause for a while. Okay, it got started, so we don't need to pause. So this is how it looks like. You don't have to enter your username, password or anything. Here's the terminal. It's just a normal Linux machine, Ubuntu it is. So you can see all the information. You can perform ls. So since it is NAT, so okay. So you can see you can run, you can use all those common Linux commands as because it is Debian based Ubuntu. Here also you can install Zoo if you can download Chrome, or if you don't want to download Chrome, they already have Firefox. So you can directly use Firefox. You can download the Zoo that we were talking about, that we downloaded in the previous session, in our previous video. We'll see how we are going to do it over here. You can perform the same process that we followed last time, or for this machine, for Linux machine, you can simply copy this. And if you have Git over here, let's see if we have Git. Yeah, we do have Git. So Git clone. Okay, since Zoo already exists, so once you perform this, you will see the Zoo folder itself gets downloaded over here. It gets cloned, actually, the repository gets cloned. If you create any new kind of malware of your own, or if you make any changes and if you wish to update it over there, so you can do it through Git also. You just have to create another pull request for that. So we are not getting into that for now. So since the Zoo is already here, so we'll move to the Zoo folder. So here it is. And we'll move to malware, binaries. And here you can see all those malware. So in the next video, we'll be performing some sort of static analysis in this machine. So that's it for today. Here we just performed a simple lab setup using Remnux. And Remnux is itself an entire, is completely a wholesome where you can perform all kinds of analysis. For Windows-based machine, of course, we'll be just performing static analysis over here. You can perform dynamic using some other utilities, but we are not going to do that. If needed, we'll learn that later in our later videos. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. We'll be covering more of static analysis. So thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.